everyone and welcome to my video. So today is a full hair care routine, how I style my hair from wet to dry, and this was requested, what products I'm using and how I get it looking the way it does for being bleached and blonde. So if you want to see how I've styled my hair, carry on watching. Styling my hair from wet to dry. So I've just towel dried it out of the shower. This is what it looks like out of the shower. And the first thing I do is apply my Aveda Nutri Plenish leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this. It smells incredible and it just detangles your hair really nicely. So I just spray this all over. And the good thing is with this as well, you don't need to, flies come in here now, you don't need to blow dry it if you just want to air dry. That's a good thing. Next up, you want to get yourself a wet brush, because to get the tangles, my hair is really tangly, and I just brush it through. Hold on a minute, I have the window open. So look how that now just brushes through really easily. The back of my hair is fine, it's just the front, because many years ago, and I mean many years ago, I had a horrible perm and my hair never ever recovered after that. Still, I find that like the blonde and stuff doesn't really help, you know, putting, you know, the bleaching, but that's what you get with. Oh, look, hang on a minute, I've got to get this fly. So that's just for detangling, because otherwise my hair's going to be a nest. Then I like to go in with this Kérastase Cement Thermique. This is like a heat protectant. Literally nearly finished, but this really makes your hair super smooth and lovely. I find it always does a really nice, oh, it smells gorgeous, but it just makes your hair really soft and smooth. So I just drag that in. Now if you ever watch my old videos, I have done a hair one before where I literally blow dry my hair upside down. I can't really do that anymore with my blonde hair because it will literally puff up like this and get knotted and all of that. And I can't be bothered anymore. Like the whole of this summer, I didn't bother blow dry my hair because I could not be bothered. Right, that's in. Okay, and now I will blow dry. I don't put any volumizing stuff anymore because I just can't be bothered, and it just kind of thickens my hair and I don't like it. So what I do now is blow dry my hair. And this, I'm going to put music over this so you don't hear the blow dry sound, but you'll just see how I do it. Oh. Now you can see it's like mostly dry, but I just blow dry it straight like that because I cannot be doing with, you know, throwing my hair upside down and all the other things. So once I've blow dried that, the last thing I love to do is put the JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Oh my God, this smells amazing. I put a big glug and I just, oh my God, it smells so good, look at that. And I just put it through my hair like this and it just gives hair, oh my God, I just love, gives hair this lovely shine. I give it a bit of a zhuzh, zhuzhy. Make sure I concentrate on the ends. That's it. And that is it. That's my hair blow dried. There we go. I don't blow dry till it's completely bone dry. The ends are dry. but I kind of do it like 50%, I would say. Now, just so you know, I am still using, for shampoo and conditioner, I'm still using the Pureology Hydrate Sheer, which I absolutely love. And my salon now is using this, so it's brilliant. I love it. This is for fine, dry, color treated hair, but it's lightweight, so it's not gonna weigh your hair down. It's brilliant. I love it. Now, once a week, if I can remember, I will do Olaplex treatment. And I mean, I hate doing this because you've got to like wet your hair, and I hate doing that because you've got to like just brush through it and wet. But once a week I will do this. I will comb wet water through my hair, put this in. I'll do like a gym workout, a Peloton or some sort of workout for 30 minutes and then shower it out. And I do recommend this if you've got blonde hair. It does leave your hair looking lovely. Like someone mentioned in my previous video, oh, your hair looks really nice. I had just used that morning. So yes, there we go. That's how I style my hair. It's really simple, it's really easy. I highly recommend these two products. This for detangling is beautiful. This just gives you that sleek smoothness and also the heat protectant. It smells nice and it just makes hair really nice and soft. I've used it for years. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was helpful, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.